Guys, this is another YouTube video, and I'm Joseph, and if you haven't seen my other videos, like me singing, it wasn't my best singing, and everyone needs to understand that, okay? And you need to watch my singing part 2 when my sister amazingly sings. Also, if you don't have to watch the TGI Fridays, just to let you know that isn't my real dad. It is just my mum's friend. So in this video, I'm going to be trying to do the longest sound. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, that was wrong. Okay, let me try it again. Okay. Oh my god, I don't have good breath. Don't have very good breath. So I'll try again in part 2, which I'll be in my car, probably. So I'll see you then. Peace, guys. Oh god. See ya!